Jump to me.
Can you jump to Papa?
You don't need to jump by the ladder. It hurts your head. If you slip, that ladder hurts you.
Okay. Jump this way.
Jump. Hold on to it tight all the way down.
Where are you going here? Oh, you're going to jump right there. Okay, come on.
Open her mouth and turn her nose loose.
Good job.
You didn't hold your nose all the way down. You got to hold your nose underwater even.
Yes, I did.
Yes, I did, she said.
You did just like, you said, and jump just like that.
It's okay, let her jump like that. She'll be fine. Do what you want to do, baby. Come on.
See, Paula?
That's all right.
Is that going?
Hey.
Are you getting her? Okay. Hi. Need some help? No. One step at a time, remember? One step at a time. One step at a time. Your legs aren't tired.
No.
I feel like Jello when I climb that ladder.
Be careful going around the corner. Hang on, let me get down here. I'm ready. Go ahead. Go ahead. Are you okay?
Thought you had me for a minute.
What's the matter? What's the matter? Come on. Huh?
How old were y'all? Well, how old were you when Katie moved up from South? Do you remember? Let's go. That's my phone. See?
Did we catch it this time? You don't want to go
Just
in
see
the
who
water?
it is. I don't.
Okay.
Really?
Yeah.
Billy's right there. If he wants to talk to me, he can come over here and talk to me.
Well, if we're going to do that, we need to do the shallow end, because that hurts me in the deep end.
You don't remember how old y'all were?
First grade.
First
So
grade?
7, yeah. Okay, well, I'm just making sure you don't fall again.